si Senator Padilla na dinagdagan ng malalawak din na perspektiba ni Senator Erwin Tulfo. Ito kasing particular na laban ng mga mulbog na miyembro ng Sambilog na samahan doon sa Bugsuk Island. Nahingian na rin po natin ng tulong, particular sa DAR, nung budget debates nung nakaraang taon. So baka immediately po, Mr. President, para ipagpatuloy yung problem solving sa conflict na yan, pwedeng mabalikan lang yung DAR kung pwede po ba silang mamuno na i-de-escalate yung tensions doon at maging bahagi ng paghanap ng isang mapayapang solusyon in the immediate. At pangalawa at huli, Mr. President, sa longer term, yung minumungkahi na rin po ng mga kasama na ang Senate ay maging kasama dun sa paghanap ng pagbabalanse ng mga batas. Yung Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act, bagamat nahuli kumpara sa ibang mga batas ng Republika, pero kumikilala dun sa prinsipyong sinasabi ng mga Molbog at iba pang katutubo na since time immemorial sila dito. So paghanap po ng pagbabalanse ng batas na iyon at iba pang mga batas na sumunod para may kahit kapirasong hustisya para sa mga Molbog dun sa Palawan. Salamat po, Mr. President.
All right, Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I believe these were manifestations just made, but maybe we can direct all these manifestations and, of course, the privileged speech of Senator Robin Hood Padilla to his committee on the Committee on Cultural Communities and Muslim Affairs, Mr. President. So move.
What about secondarily to the Committee on Agrarian Reform?
Yes, Mr. President, that would be a great idea so that both can sit down and discuss this
All right.
in committee level. Yes, Mr. President. It's agriculture, Mr. President. It's now Senator Kiko's committee. We blended both in the last Congress.
I'm sorry.
Agriculture
Okay,
and
yes.
agrarian reform.
Manifested. Go ahead.
Thank you.
So referred.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we'd like to recognize the guest of Senator Bam Aquino, Mayor Gungun Junjun Gilka of Dumanog, Cebu. Gungun Gilka of Dumanog, Cebu.
Mayor Gungun of Cebu. Okay, mayang buntag.
Hapon na, sir. Hapon na.
Ha?
Mayang hapon na, sir.
Ay, mayang hapon. No?
Pero sa mga kooperatiba, Mr. President, we greet each other always a good morning. Mayang buntag, it's always a good morning. Mr. President, I move that we resume consideration of Senate Bill number 1506 under Committee Report number 10. This is the act mandating full disclosure of government transactions to establishment of digital budget portal as requested by the sponsor, Mr. President.
All right. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Consideration of the measure is in order.
This is it's in the period of amendments, Mr. President. We'd like to recognize the sponsor, Senator Bam Aquino, and to make propose amendments, Senator Rodante Marcoleta, Mr. President. May we recognize them.
We are in the period of amendments. Senator Bam Aquino is recognized. And to propose the amendments, Senator Dante Marcoleta.
Yes, Mr. President.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.
Are you the only one who will be proposing amendments?
I will also be proposing individual amendments, Mr. President.
And who else?
And Senator Cayetano will also
Senator
be...
Pia? Majority Leader, I was hoping that we could do it
Yes, Mr. President.
the old way, page by page.
Yes, Mr. President.
But all the senators who want to amend are here.
Mr. President,
Yes,
Senator
Aquino.
Pia Cayetano indicated that she wanted to amend as well, Mr.
I'm
President.
sorry, again?
Senator Pia Cayetano also indicated that she wanted to amend as well, Mr. President.
So, would you like to accept amendments by senators, or you would like to do the page by page?
I proposed by Senator, Mr. President, because Senator Marcoleta and I are ready already. And then we can have Senator Cayetano. Oh, she's here, Mr. President.
Oh, there you go.
The advantage is that if we do it page by page,
okay,
then we will not have to go back and make a clean copy for every senator we're doing amendments.
Okay.
And that is the advantage. Unlike if we do it by senators, after Senator Marcoleta and then Senator Cayetano will stand, we might need a clean copy after his amendments.
Mr. President, we can do it page by page, Mr. President.
We can do it page by page.
Yes,
No.
Mr. President. Yes,
Senator
Mr. President.
Cayetano, yeah.
Yes.
Then we will be facilitating it if she has only 3 amendments and you have amendments of your own.
Yes, Mr.
All right,
President.
so let's start with page 1. Any amendments on page 1? No amendments on page 1?
None, Mr. President.
All right, page 2. Any amendments on page 2?
I'm sorry, Mr. President. I was looking at the explanatory note. Page 1, if I'm not mistaken, Senator Pia has an amendment, Mr. President.
Senator Pia Cayetano is recognized for page 1.
Thank you, Mr. President. Less than a minute suspension. I just need my glasses.
It's okay, we can wait.
Thank you, Mr. President. I'll proceed to just read it.
Yes, Mr. President.
Okay, thank you. On page 1, line 11, after the word institutions, insert a new paragraph which reads as follows. In pursuit of a forward-looking, resilient, and future-ready governance framework, the state shall apply futures-thinking and anticipatory governance in the design, implementation, and continuous enhancement of digital budget disclosure systems. This approach ensures adaptability to emerging technologies, long-term risks, evolving public needs, and potential societal impacts. Please submit, Mr. President.
Accepted, Mr. President.
Accepted, sponsor says accepted. No, any objection? Hearing none, adopted. Any more on page 1?
Actually, Mr. President, I apologize. I have an earlier amendment, but also on page 1.
Anterior amendment.
Dear amendment, Mr. President.
All right.
Page 1, line 4, after the word shall, replace the word safeguard to maintain. Please submit, Mr. President.
Maintain.
So it will
What?
read, the state shall maintain.
What does the sponsor say?
Accepted, Mr. President.
Any objection?
Thank you.
Hearing none, adopted. Still on page 1?
Actually, that's my only amendment on this measure, Mr. President. My other
okay.
amendments are on his other measure. Thank
All
you.
right. Any amendments on page 2? No amendments on page 2, page 3? Any amendments on page 3? Any amendments on page 4? Amendments on page 5?
Page 5, Mr. President.
All right.
On page 5, line 10,
Line 10.
spell out OSBP as online submission of budget proposals. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 5, line 20, Mr. President, after the word amendments, insert the phrase with identified proponents. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 5, line 21, after the word bicameral, insert the words conference committee. So moved, Mr.
The
President.
Cabinet Conference Committee report.
Yes, Mr. President.
All right. Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
That's all for page 5, Mr. President.
Any amendments on page 6?
Mr. President, numerous, if I may start.
Go ahead.
On page 6, line 1, spell out CDC as cash disbursement ceilings. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 2, spell out MYCA as multi-year contractual authority. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 2, delete the word others and replace with the
Page
phrase.
6,
Page 6, line 2, Mr.
line
President.
2. Okay.
Delete the word others and
Mhm.
replace with the phrase other similar issuances. So
Other
moved, Mr. President.
similar.
Yes, so moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, delete lines 9 and 10, Mr. President.
Delete 9 and 10.
So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, section 5D, lines 12 to 28, replace the term procuring agencies with
Fine.
procuring entities.
5,
Lines 12 to 28, Mr.
12
President.
to 28.
Yes, instead of procuring agency, it should be procuring entities.
All right.
So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 18, delete the phrase records of competing bids and replace with abstract of bids. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 19 and 20, delete the phrase eligibility and ownership disclosures / certifications of good standing and replace with project eligibility documents, comma, including beneficial ownership disclosures, comma, certifications of good standing, comma, permits and clearances. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 23, delete the / and replace it with end.
Performance and warranty security.
Yes, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 23, delete security, the word security, and add the word documents.
Any objection?
I'm sorry, Mr. President. After the word, may I repeat that, Mr. President? On page 6, line 23, after the word security, add the word documents. So moved, Mr. President.
Retain security.
Yes, Mr. President.
Security documents. All
Yes,
right.
Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 6, line 28, after the word disbursement vouchers, delete the phrase progress billings, Mr. President. So moved.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
That's all for page 6, Mr. President.
Will you move for a renumbering?
Yes, Mr. President, but we still have some on page 7, Mr. President.
Yes, but you will have to renumber page 6.
Okay, I move, Mr. President, to renumber page 6.
All right. Any objection? Hearing none, renumbered.
On page 7, line 2, Mr. President, spell out the acronym BFARS as Budget and Financial Accountability Forms. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
On page 7, line 5, spell out the acronym COA as Commission on Audit. So moved, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
Mr. President, on page 7, line 12, insert a new subsection 7 or VII in Roman numeral to read as follows. VII or 7, all Civil Service Commission parenthesis CSC dash DBM dash COA circulars. And then in the next box, Mr. President, under responsible agency, CSC / DBM / COA.
Any
So
objection?
move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
I move to renumber the subsequent subsection, Mr. President. So move.
All right. Sorry numbered.
On page 7, line 15, delete
15.
the title subsection F, other documents.
Delete.
The title, just the title, Mr. President. The paragraph shall remain.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
That's all for page 7, Mr. President.
Page 8. Any amendments on page 8?
None, Mr. President.
Page 9.
None, Mr. President.
Page 10. Senator Marcoleta is recognized. On
Yes.
page 10 or page 9?
Page 10, Mr. President.
Page 9. Page 10. Go ahead, Senator Marcoleta, you're recognized.
On page 10, Mr. President, lines 15 and 16.
Mr. President,
Mhm.
my amendment on page 10 is line 5, if I may go.
Anterior amendment? Oh, go ahead.
Yes,
For the anterior amendment. Just
yes.
a while, Senator Marcoleta. Line
On-
5, go ahead.
On page 10, line 5, add a new sentence to read as follows. The Cadena shall display all budget records without alteration and shall ensure that all documents, comma, dashboards, comma, public datasets, comma, and APIs reflect the complete national budget cycle, period. So move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, adopted.
That's all for page 10 for me, Mr. President.
Senator Marcoleta is recognized. Page
Also on page 10, Mr. President, lines 15 and 16, delete the phrase, the eGov PH portal, the eGov super app, and then insert the word fully secured before the word national to read as follows. Letter G, interoperability and open standards. The Cadena shall adopt open source, technology neutral frameworks and ensure compatibility with existing and future government information systems.